Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Sanbonan Durban, hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you are returning, let's get into it. First and biggest step is that I'll be doing a hot oil treatment. I do a hot oil treatment as a pre-poo treatment. The word pre-poo comes from pre-shampoo. This means a treatment that you do before you shampoo your hair. And that is exactly what the hot oil treatment is. There are other treatments. My go-to is a hot oil treatment. And I'll be showing you exactly how I do it and how you can do it too. The best way to heat up oil is to do it over boiling water. Make sure that you use a bowl that is oven safe or that can handle hot water. Put it over, cover it, and let the steam do its thing. Now I've moved to my bathroom. Standard procedure, hair is divided into 4 sections, other sections are clipped up. Always, first step is hydration. Going in with the spray bottle that just has water and I'm going to spritz that everywhere. Ensure that I massage that water into my hair and then I do this thoroughly over and over again. Afterwards, I divide that section into 2. I clip away the second half so that I can work on this one section. There's the oil. I put it in my basin and then I go in and generously apply that oil. Make sure as well to not forget your ends. Your ends are very important. That is the oldest part of your hair, therefore they need a whole lot of TLC. So I go in with as much oil, and also remember to get that oil up into your scalp. I'll make sure that I massage it properly into my scalp and then go through my hair, detangle it. Then I twist it away so that I can work on the other sections and ensure that I do not work on one section twice.
Your plan is intricate. Weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone. When all creation groans, I will sing of oh, friend, I wish you knew the measure of the love Jesus poured out for you. There's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment.
Now we're going to go ahead and cover this hair. You can use a disposable shower cap, or like me, just use a shopping plastic bag that you have in your drawer. This will be discarded, so it doesn't really matter much. And yeah, they will be all dripping everywhere, so make sure you wear a top that you don't really care too much about. This is how much hair I shed while I was detangling and applying the oil. This is a normal amount of hair shedding. I got this hair dryer hood from Clicks a couple of years ago. Don't know if they still have it, but any hooded dryer will work.
I've come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my.
I know I look crazy, but as for oil, it's gonna drip down your face. Look at that. Look at that. It's literally coming by my eyes. Oh my goodness. There's oil everywhere. It started on doing itself. Texture. Nothing makes me happier than doing things that bring out my hair texture. Look at that. This is the job of a hot oil treatment. Mind you, this was on dirty hair. But this is exactly what the treatment is for. It is to bring in or lock in hydration. Yes, I'm still gonna go shampoo my hair, but the oil has already penetrated through my hair strands, so that is the aim and that is done. Yeah, let's go ahead and shampoo. So I'm gonna shampoo and then I will catch you guys in my next video where I will be doing a deep conditioning treatment in preps for braiding. If you have made it this far, let me know if you'll be trying the hot oil treatment, if it is something you already do, what do you like about it, what are your favorite oils, just drop me a comment and like this video, subscribe and share it with anyone else who's a natural hair girl. Natural? Natural. A natural hair girl. Bye.